Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the exact Google account that lists the bank. This ensures you edit the right connections. Once signed in, open Google Pay or the service where the bank is linked so you can view linked accounts. Make sure you have your bank routing and account numbers handy in case verification or identity checks are required. If you use two-step verification, complete that step now. Otherwise, Google will block removal for security reasons. You now locate payment methods or banks and cards inside Settings. This is where linked bank accounts live. Once you select the bank entry, pick Remove or Disconnect and follow the on-screen prompts. Confirm removal and authenticate again if requested. If there are pending transactions or subscriptions tied to that account, pause or transfer them first, because removal won't stop in-flight charges. After confirming, check that the bank no longer appears in the list to verify successful disconnection. To finish, refresh your account and check transaction history to confirm the bank is gone. This prevents surprises. If removal fails, revoke the app's permissions via Google Account Security, then repeat removal. This forces a fresh state. Make sure you also cancel any subscriptions pointing to that account so charges won't reattach. If you still see unauthorized holds or errors, contact Google support or your bank. They can release holds or complete the unlinking securely and explain why removal failed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.